Hey guys, uh, okay, hey guys, today I'm playing Piggy. We're gonna play house today. Doesn't it sound good? Let's see if we're a piggy again. You're not playing. Woohoo. Okay, my sister's playing right now, so. Ooh, well, this is the place that Georgie Pig was last. What was that? Ow. Let's get out of here. No, no. Stop. Why does it keep doing this? Open the door. Now let's go and get the green key. Oh no, did someone get it already? Come on. That's Piggy's spawn. He's about to. Oh wait, someone already unlocked it. Piggy has one. Oh my god. Don't go in there. He's right over there. Hey, Piggy. Okay, she just walked away. Piggy, are you okay? Oh my god! No, don't come in! No, what did, why, who slammed the door in my face? There's a red key. Did I just, red cogs! Ah! I just ran right into her, eh? Why do we gotta do this again? Okay, I'm just gonna spectate my sister. Hello! My sister had to change her account because something went wrong with her old one, so she had to make this one Crystal 60501. I don't know what. Go. 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 The green key is useless. Why are you. Oh my god. Let's see. Where's Piggy? Okay, there she is. Why does she keep on just standing there? Harley, you're not even that good. Just saying. I mean, you only killed me. I mean, what the? I'm the. Okay. How did you touch her? How'd you touch her? She's hiding. She's not even in there. She's up there. My sister is just crouching. Come on. Just get yourself killed. I want the game to be over. Oh, wait, what did I just... The Peppa Pig. Uh-oh. Yeah, boy, she's going for it. What are you doing? What? Okay, let's go. Why do you keep... Oh my god, Peppa Pig, can you hurry it up? I'm gonna join another game, because I mean, this is gonna take forever. I'm just gonna join another server. This is the same game! Join another game. I swear, if it's the same game. Can I play a different game? Nah. Be back in a... Okay, guys, we just came back to school, I guess. I don't hear Piggy, so I guess she's AFK or something. Oh, no, I hear her. We're in school right now. Okay, we have to find the red key. Hey, no, we can't go in. Is Piggy AFK or something? I mean, she's... Oh my god! It's a panda! Ooh, nice. Is anything in here? Ooh, this is the principal's office. Dude, she's probably not even gonna... I'm not even... Can you people... Oh man, she's right there. Can you move, panda? I need to be a hero. And she's right over there. Wait, what? Is there two of them? Oh boy. Is there two of them or something? Thanks for freeing me. Oh man. Is she coming in? Okay, she's gone. Someone freed the bunny. Who has a carrot? Cause remember the gallery when the dog needed the ball. She's coming closer. Is she up? That scared me. The silver key! Oh my god. I found the silver key. Technically white key. Is she over there? Whoa. Ah! No, help! She's coming and I have the silver key. I'm the hero. Help! Help! No, stop chasing me! Don't chase me! Stop it! Get away from me! She's slow, actually. I mean, I can feel like she's... Yeah, I think she's all the way right behind. Trying to go. Thanks, I'm bunny. Now, where's the sewer thing? Where's the door? Piggy's gone. The bunny saved us. Where's the... Oh my god. Oh my god, she's over there. Where's the... Oh, here it is. No, it's flooded. Just one... I just need one red cog. That's the wrench. Where's the red cog? Why isn't the panda moving? Oh no, yep, she's moving. Oh boy. Coming closer. Oh my god! She's upstairs? I didn't know she was upstairs. I'm running for my life. Running. Oh, the carrot. She needs a carrot, man. Oh my god, did I just hear someone cough? Oh no, she's coming. That's the bunny. It's not over there. Am I the only one alive? Where's the red cog? Oh my god, that skeleton scared me. No! No! Panda, I'm scared! I was the last one alive. Panda. You're so mean. Okay, this time I was almost there. I just needed the red cog. And technically the wrench and the hammer. Nah. Fortnite, Kaylee. Yeah, that's my sister. Legend Roblox Player 11 with the flamingo. Ew. Let's try this again. School. School. There. Thing is, it's really creepy. Dude, that's not all the people. Okay, good. 5 people at least. Pick school. No! Who picked house? Player. I want to be Piggy so I can get more, like, those pig coins. Whatever those are. Player. Yes. Kaylee! Kaylee, I swear if you kill me, I will kill you. Actually, I'm already dead. My name is Mr. P. Mr. Potato! And I need you to rescue my friend from school. High school. Or middle school. Wait, is this high school or middle school? Because they have lockers, so I know it's not like kindergarten or 5th grade. Or pre-K. Definitely not daycare. Why am I always like... Why am I always lagging? Meet me in the sewers. Okay, Mr. P. Gotcha. Red key. Wait, no, that's an orange key or something. Okay, so that's the sewers, I guess. Where does Piggy spawn? I swear, she spawns right behind me. She's not moving. I'm Peppa Pig. Wow, cool. Now can you, like, kill people? I need to go in here. Let's get some things. Ooh, I found a key. I'm very useful. I can't even get the key. No, no one gets it. No, he got it. You're so mean. I will kill. Why isn't she moving? Can you? Where do we go? Oh my god, she's right there. Honk. Wow, nice noise. Is she gonna come the other way? Where's the teal key? Is it over here? Honk. I'm Peppa Pig. Honk. Snort, man. There you are. Dang it. There's nothing in here. Useless. Hide under the desk. Oh no, my stupid flamingo can literally show up. Oh my god, is she coming? Yep, she's coming. Okay. What? Why you get me? Oh, she got you? That's terrible. Oh my god. Okay, she's right over there. Man, where are the keys? I can't even find a single key. Is one in here? I mean, man. Ah! Hey! She was downstairs, literally! How? How'd you get the green key, man? My god. So annoying. Peppa Pig, I will report you to the sheriff. Die. Play new